how to fix your PayPal limited account. Now, if your PayPal account has been limited, it typically means that PayPal has identified some issues or concerns related to your account, such as suspicious activity, policy violations, or identity verification. Now, here's a guide on how to help you fix a limited PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, you visit the option for you to look for any notifications or alerts about your account limitation on the dashboard. So I don't have any right now, but if you do find any, then go ahead and proceed with that. Or the next option is to check your email corresponding to the account you use. Now, to see that, you can just go ahead to the top right corner. Now you can just go ahead to the top right corner, press on your profile, scroll down a bit, and press on personal info. Here in personal info, you should be able to see the email that's associated with your account, which you can use to check in your Gmail to see if PayPal has given you any emails about a limitation to your account, which you can fix through verification. Now, either the dashboard or email, you can go ahead and understand the reason for the limitation by being able to see their message. Next, you can complete the PayPal's verification process by giving a proof of identity and a proof of address. Now once you finally verified your account, you can go ahead and have a not limited account in PayPal. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.